Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. In today's video I'm going to explain one of the important tips that you can use along with network days formula in matrix visual. So here my use cases, I have list of employees along with their start date in the organization. Now I need to calculate the total number of working days for each employee based on their start date. In order to do that, I'm going to write a DAX measure. So let's write the DAX measure. Work days calculation equal to, let's take variable start date equal to minimum of, I just take start date of each employee and then maybe I think we can return network days. First parameter would be the variable that we have taken, and then second parameter would be today. Done. So now this will actually give us the total number of working days for each employee. I'll just show you what happens. Let me select the employee names. So I got them in a matrix visual already. Okay, they are in a table. Let me put it in matrix. Now I'm going to select their working days calculation. So I have work days calculation for each employee, but here the problem is total. So this is what happens. So we have chosen the minimum of fact employee. So at the end also what happens, it tries to calculate minimum and then gives you some, minimum of start date, and then it tries to calculate the network days up to today. But what we exactly need here is the sum of working days. So all you need is, so you can see Aarti Chauhan has worked for 576 days and then Anjali Nair for 480 days, and at the end of this you need to have sum of all this working days. How to achieve that? Now if we go ahead with this default formula, you will not be able to achieve this. Now in order to achieve that, I'll just show you another trick where individual result equal to, let me move this formula one step ahead. So this is for individual result, and then where total result equal to, I'm just going to do a SUMX table fact employee, and then expression would be calculate. You don't need to do calculate also. You can write fact employee start date, comma, and then end date would be today, right? So I think, see what happens exactly here is this calculates the network days for each employee separately, and then it does a SUMX, which is it adds all the values and then it keeps the total result. So what we need to add now is just a if condition. We need to check if there is a employee, give me the individual result, or if there is a total, then give me the total result. So that can be achieved by adding this if has one okay, I think something is this is not properly closed. So return if has one value, which column? Employee name. If there is one employee name, then give me individual result, otherwise give me total result. Simple, that's it. Okay, now I'm going to apply this and you would be able to see how the result gets transformed. That's it. It's just a simple trick. So now this result gives you overall sum of all 20 individual results. So I have used two techniques here. One is SUMX in order to sum all the values. In case if you need average, you can go for average X, and then finally you just need to use a has one value formula to determine if you are mapping the values against a name or against the total. So that's it. I think this will be useful for you. So go ahead and play with your example, guys. See you all in the next video. Catch up later. Thank you.